Let's go over how to install the UV Insight add-on, set up Unity integration, and change the add-on language. First, install the UV Insight add-on. Once the installation is complete, a welcome pop-up will appear. From this pop-up, you can set up Unity integration and configure the language. You can also do the same thing from the preferences. UV Insight supports 6 languages, so you can set it to whichever language works best for you. To set up Unity integration, set the path to the Unity project you're currently working with. Then click the Unity Integration Install button and wait a moment for the installation to finish. Once it's done, these 2 folders will be created in your Unity project path. If you run into any issues with the Unity connection, click this Reinstall button in the UV Insight Preferences to reinstall. For language settings, the add-on offers English as the default, along with Korean, Japanese, Chinese, Spanish, and Portuguese. You can choose to apply the language to the entire add-on, or selectively change just the UI, tooltips, or notifications to the language you prefer. When you set a language other than English, most of the add-on will switch to that language right away, but a few parts require restarting Blender to fully apply. Like this part right here. The add-on link is in the description. Thank you for watching.